Today I will show you how to add titles on Final Cut Pro, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is load up the project that you want to add the title to, and once you have the project loaded, you're going to go to the far left of the software where it says show or hide the titles and generators sidebar. So you're going to click on that, and you're going to search for any title that you want. But let's put basic. Now let's use the basic 3D title. Okay, let's use the basic title. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna drag it and you're gonna put it on the uh, editor clip exactly where you want it to be. You're gonna drag it and put it there. Now the reason this is not showing is because I think the text is white by default, but once you click on it and you go to the far right, you see this icon right here. You're gonna that says show the text inspector. You're gonna click on it. So we're gonna collapse this basic header and we're gonna expand the face header, and you can see here the color is white. Let's change this to black, and as you can see the text title now shows, and you can definitely change this to any text that you want. And you can see that once you change it, it's going to show on the preview screen. Now it's important to also know that you can expand the text to as long as you want it to be. Now that's how to add titles on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.